Introducing the pinnacle of solar panel manufacturing, the fully automatic solar module production line by Double 100. We pride ourselves on over a decade of expertise in crafting intelligent solutions for the photovoltaic industry. Our cutting-edge equipment streamlines every stage of panel production, from glass loading to module packing, seamlessly integrating each component for a flawless manufacturing process. Advanced features like robotic gluing and soldering of junction boxes further enhance production efficiency and quality. Capable of handling all solar panel types, full to half cells, double glass modules, and accommodating customizations such as 5 to 12 bus bars and various junction box configurations, it caters to diverse needs. It supports the production of solar panels with a maximum size of 2,650 by 1,450 millimeters and a frame thickness of up to 40 millimeters. Our services extend beyond equipment manufacturing to encompass production design, layout, installation, commissioning and after-sales support, offering a complete turnkey solution. Join the ranks of over 4,000 solar panel companies worldwide, including industry leaders like 𝐊𝐞𝐲 𝐿𝐬, Adani and Tailsun, who trust us for their solar module manufacturing needs.